Hello everyone, my name is Arun and in this video I'll be guiding you that how to install Anaconda in your system. So before installation, let's see what are the system requirement, what your computer, what configuration your computer should have to install Anaconda in your system. So this is the official documentation page of Anaconda, and let's see what are the system requirements, what are the configuration that we need in our system for its installation. So first of all, the first and foremost requirement is your computer should be 32 or 64 bit computer, and to know that whether your computer is 32-bit computer or a 64-bit computer, we can see from here that we can we can see in my computer or view my PC. You can see here that what how much bit my system is. This is 64-bit. My system is 64-bit operating system. Okay, so my configuration is good for installing this Anaconda in my system. Okay, then the second thing is I should have minimum 3 GB of disk space to download and install. I should have minimum 3 GB of space in my drive to install this Anaconda, and it supports all the three operating system: Windows, Mac OS, and this Linux. And after that there are two versions of Python that can be installed. Okay, Python 3.9 or and Python 3.8. For installing Python 3.9 in your Anaconda, you should have 8.1 version of Windows or newer version of Windows. It means above 8.1, 8.1 or above 8.1. And for installing Python 3.8 version of Python, you should have Windows Vista version or newer version. Okay, yeah. So this is the system requirement that you should have for installing Anaconda in your system. Okay, let's see that from where we can download Anaconda installation. So we can write here Anaconda download. Okay, once we search it, this Anaconda download, in the top this Anaconda distribution option will come, link will come. We can click here. We can click here, and here we can see that we can here download option is coming. We can download Anaconda distribution from here, but remember this Anaconda distribution installer is for Windows only, and for 64-bit system. Okay, and it will install Python 3.9 in your system. Okay, if you don't have 64-bit system, or if you don't have Windows operating system or Windows operating system, and you have Mac OS or Linux operating system, then you have to go down, and here in this section, in this Anaconda installer section, you will see Windows installer, you will see Mac OS, you will see Anaconda installer for Mac OS, you will see Anaconda installer for Linux. Okay, so for those who have 32-bit of system can download the installer from here, and those who have 64-bit installer can also download from here. I will directly download from here because here direct option is coming for 64-bit graphical installer. So let me download it. Okay, it will take some time to download. It will take around 12 minutes to download. Okay, so let it get downloaded. And you see this is official page of Anaconda. We are downloading this Anaconda from its official page. Okay. And once we download Anaconda, after that we will see many IDE to write our code in Python. The most important IDE is Jupyter Notebook. So we will be looking into that how we can, after installing Anaconda, how we can open Jupyter Notebook. Okay, and the other installers are also there, like Spider, PyCharm. But we will be focusing on Jupyter Notebook, that how to after installation of Anaconda, how we can open Jupyter Notebook and how we can write code over there. Okay, let's wait for this Anaconda installer to be downloaded, and after that we will see how to install it. Okay, so you can see the download is going to be complete. 10 seconds is left. Let the download be complete. After that we will install it. Okay, so download is complete now. You can see this is a exe file. Let me go to the folder where it has downloaded. You can see this is Anaconda 3 2022.05 version, and underscore 64 is there. It means it is 64-bit version. Okay, let me click on it. Okay, so you can see here the version of Anaconda is coming 2022.05 64-bit setup. Okay, we will click on next. We will click on I agree and install for just me and all users. So you click on just me. Okay, and here the path will come where this its installer will be kept. Okay, so this is C drive user SR Anaconda 3. We can click on next, and here there two options will come. You please click on the second option. Okay, register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.9. You can see here Python 3.9 has been installed with Anaconda. Okay, we will click on install. It is installing now. It will take some time to install. Okay, uh, let's wait for some time and wait for its completion. Yeah. Okay, so you can see the installation is all complete. Let me click next here. Okay, it took some time, almost around 10 minutes to do the installation. Let me click next, and let's click finish. Okay, when we clicked on finish, these two pages will open. We don't need to read this. We can close this thing. Okay, now go to the search box. Here we can let's search Anaconda. You can see this icon is there. This application is there, Anaconda Navigator. We have to click there. Let's click on Anaconda Navigator. This kind of pop-up will come. Let it open. Okay, this Anaconda is initializing right now. Let it open, then I will show you how we can open Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda. Okay, so you can see this is the UI. This is the UI when you will open this Anaconda Navigator application. Okay, here multiple ID is present. Like you can see, Jupyter Lab is there, Jupyter Notebook is there. Then here Spider is there, PyCharm is there. This is all these are for writing Python codes. And do you want to open? No, no. This pop-up is coming to update this application. I don't want to update it right now. Okay. You can see Visual Studio Code is also there. PyCharm is here. R Studio is here to write your code in R. Okay. Spider is here. So many ID is there. But the thing which is of our importance, or the thing which we want to use, is this Jupyter Notebook. Let me launch it. Okay. Okay, you see this is the UI of Jupyter Notebook, and if you want to create a notebook and write Python code, for that purpose, here in the right side corner, in the new option, you have to click on this Python 3. Okay, notebook Python 3. Once we click this option, this kind of UI opens up. Okay, here we can write our Python code, like if I am putting name and my name is Arun, and if I want to print it, print name. Okay, you'll see this code is running perfectly fine. So this is the way in which you can install Anaconda and you can use this Jupyter notebook. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any doubt. Thanks.